सुनो, अभी कोई हिलना डुलना नहीं, शांति से बैठना। ओके, 10 मिनट्स है आपके पास।
ओके
एक घड़ी आराम से बोलिए। अगर कहीं अभी कभी फंबल होता है ना, बीच में कभी
कोई
रुक जाते हैं, रुक के फिर मैं बोल दूंगा तो आप फिर से एक बार बोलना बोला।
फाइन
ठीक है, 1 सेकंड करो। ओके।
ओम शांति। मैं एक आत्मा हूँ। ये शरीर का नाम है पुन्ना रेड्डी। इधर सभी मेरे को दिल रेड्डी बोलते हैं। क्यों? मैं क्या डिपार्टमेंट में दिल वालों के लिए सेवा कर रहा हूँ। बेसिकली आई वॉज फिनिश्ड माई BTech फ्रॉम SV यूनिवर्सिटी आंध्र प्रदेश, that 16 years back. After I worked for one of the MNCs, Hyderabad high-tech city, that's 7 years. After 7 years of my life in the Hyderabad, so one day I got such a situation. So I don't have any option other than to die or kill. So I left the Hyderabad at that time, that in December 25th, 2004. So that time I was drawing my salary 2.5 lakh per annum. So I was very comfortable stage, comfortable life also. But the situation I came in such a way. So I left the Hyderabad and I went to my village. So there I started to escape myself from the situations. But one day, after 3 months of my ambiguity, one day I got that one. So completely I went down. My weight is around 37 kg. The doctors also declared it is very difficult to survive him more than 10 days. But one day, suddenly I felt at the last stage of my situation, so I felt anyhow I will die. So what is the wrong to face the life? So that is the positive turning point to my life. So that is the positive step, that is positive thought in my life, turned total life, and it had guided to this place. So that is better to face the life, so before dying, anyhow to face the life before dying. So this is the situation I got it. Then I started trying to face every end situation instead of escaping. So I resigned my job and I continue to face every end situation myself, not others. So I did try to change myself. I did look towards inside to change myself to face the problems. So first I went to gone through the Bible, and the second one is Quran, third one is Gita, fourth one is Dhammapad. Like I continued to searching for to improve myself, many scriptures and other bibliographies also. So one day I realized I the soul, but I didn't confirm anything through the scriptures. So who is the God? And meanwhile I started doing the agriculture, and I got, even without knowing anything, any experience of the agriculture, I got good results. So everybody has surprised. But after some time, around the 18 months, and slowly my weight was also increased to 57 kg without any other wrong food like non-veg or anything. Previously I was used that one. But after realizing, after that 18 months, I didn't take anything, any non-veg or any other food, outside food, any other food, just fruits and house food. So after 18 months, I increased every month like 1 kg. Total 20 kgs I increased continuously. I reached to the 57 kg. So I was become healthy without knowing myself. I went into the purity. So that is also helped a lot to me. And after some time, for a couple of days, I started searching about the God. whether really God is there or not. So one day I got a vision at 3:30. I don't know anything about this spiritual life. Actually I started in bhakti base. I started reading all these scriptures. But one day at 3:30 in the morning, because in the village what will happen, they will sleep at 9 o'clock and they will wake up at generally at 4 o'clock and they will continue their activities. So like that I went to sleep at 9 o'clock before that night and wake up at 3:30, and I started thinking by sitting. So I got a beautiful vision that some bright light and one star dropped me in one thick forest that among hills. So I started moving, walking through like in the small way. I reached to one hut and there was one guru is there. He was in the meditation, complete in the meditation with disciples. So their faces are growing brightly and with smile, complete glowing their faces. So near one hut is there, one Mataji is also there. She called me and she said, yes, God said us, you are coming to this place. So she started telling something and she called her son and arranged for the fruits, and they shown one bed to sleep, to take rest. So that is I got the vision, and she started telling about Gyan, something about God, but I didn't listen. I slept in, and I wake up at 3:30 again in the next morning in that vision. So I went to the river, and I changed my dresses and everything. Means I did continue. I did think to continue that devotee life. So I came back along with this guru, and I started to sit in the meditation. Like immediately, my face is also started glowing, that one, because of doing in the meditation. So tapas, that is we are calling as. And I decided to reach this. After completing of that vision, I surprised myself, I was in the home. So that vision was very clear to me. So after some time means in the 3 days, after 3 days, I decided to leave my house for tapas to Himalayas. Tapas means generally we will think about in the Himalaya mountains. So I left my house and I reached to the Warangal. I started thinking to go in what way. I don't know I didn't see any before North India. So I started finding out where is exactly the route map and everything. Anybody can helping for others helping. I did look for the others' help. What happened? One brother suggested mounts means what he knows. This is a Mount Abu. So he suggested is better to visit the one Mount Brahmakumari's center. So they will guide you. I went to Brahmakumari center. So they didn't allow to come to this place because I was in the Laukik, because there so many rules are there to reach this place. So I don't know anything. I asked her, just give the address to reach that place. First they didn't accept, but after I told very clearly to them, even though you are giving the address, you are not giving the address, because I will reach that place. So after they suggested, so anyhow one engineering conference is going there, so you can go along with them, along with the team. So next day I already with my luggage and everything, I was in the journey. So next day I went to station and I joined with them. I came to here, and once I came to here, I got such a complete vibrations. So what I got, vibrations and place and everything, this is the place I got it in my vision. That's why I decided. So I didn't believe the Brahmakumaris, because in my experience and what I read the scriptures, sannyasis are those who are looking for the God, means they never stay in the society. They will generally be in the, they will go to the forest and they will sit under the trees. But here Brahma Kumari is in the AC rooms, halls and everything. After I saw this one, so these people are doing something business. But after 3 days of attending that conference, I understood. So this is the right life. Even we can do the tapas or whatever it may be. The spiritual life we can continue in the society also. So first time in the conference, one sister said, "You are the soul, and God is also soul form, and we are calling as a supreme soul. So just try to remember him." So immediately I went up, because I am eagerly to, I left my house to see the God. So immediately I went up to the Parandam. Around after half an hour I came down. It is unbelievable bliss I got it, and I started glowing up myself. I felt like that. So then I decided it is better to continue here, but I have to find out my Guru. So what I got in the vision, I came to here. So I asked them to what is the rules and regulations to stay here. They said 7 days course. So I took the 7 days course here only, and I requested the sister Bala Behan, so what are the way to stay here? I would like to stay here. I would like to do the service, my services for a couple of weeks only. So I asked her after completing of my 7 days course. So what I expected my service here just for sweeper, as a sweeper. But at least if it is not available, I would like to do. I was ready to that time. I was ready to clean even latrines or bathrooms also. But immediately the God never, God already arranged for me everything here. So she requested me to to continue here to do some software work. So for the 2007 WCCPC conference. So I continued here from that day, and that is since last 6 years I am continuing in the same service.
Okay.
Om Shanti.